Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Crosshair X extension. Alright, so first off, I'm going to be showing you how to just disable it. Okay, maybe you'd like to use it in the future, okay, via Xbox Game Bar. And the second option is by deleting it entirely. Okay, so first option, got to open up your Crosshair X. Now click on Display Modes right here. Got to click on Game Bar. Okay, and as you can see here, what you'll do to disable it is to just unpin it. Okay, so press Windows plus G. Right here, we have here the Crosshair X extension. So just make sure that this one is unpinned. Click on it, make sure that this one is not highlighted anymore, and you'll have the X or disabled notification right here under your Crosshair X. And after that, press Windows plus G once more, and you're good to go. All right, and the other option is by deleting it entirely. All right, so to do so, just open up your start menu right here, right click on it. Now got to click on, at the very top we have here installed apps. So just click on it. Now got to find the Crosshair X extension. Click on three dots and just hit on uninstall. Okay, once more, hit on uninstall, wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.